What's going on, guys? This is me, Mehdi Shakil, and you are watching SSTec tutorial. So guys, in today's video I'm going to show you that how you can install Homebrew package manager on your macOS. By default, if you want to install application, you can use App Store for macOS, and also you can use your browser to download the software DMG file and install it. But without these two options, we have another option called Homebrew package manager, and using this Homebrew package manager you can install any application on your macOS only using your terminal. So in today's video I'm going to show you that how you can install Homebrew package manager on your macOS. So without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do, you have to open up any of your browser, then search on Google for Homebrew. Then go to this first website, brew.sh, and this is the official website of Homebrew package manager. Now from this page you have to copy this command. Click here to copy this command. Now open up your terminal, then simply paste that command here and press enter. Then type your root password, then press enter. And now this command going to download all the required packages and dependency to install Homebrew package manager on your macOS. It's gonna take a while because it's going to download some Xcode terminal tools also and install it on your macOS. And when everything get completed, you will get some command to add the Homebrew package manager into your user path. So it's gonna take a while, so you have to wait until the installation get completed of this Homebrew package manager. And after that I will show you that how you can use this Homebrew package manager to install application on your macOS. Here you can see it's downloading command line tools for Xcode. It's gonna download it, then install it on your macOS. Okay, so guys, here you can see Homebrew package manager has been successfully installed in our macOS. Now to access the Homebrew package manager using our terminal, we have to run all of this command in our terminal. Just simply copy this command from here, then clear your terminal and paste it here, then press enter. Now we are ready to run the Homebrew package manager in our terminal. To check the help, type this command brew help, and it will show you the output about using this brew package manager in our macOS to install, uninstall or update packages. Now let me show you how you can search for any application using the brew package manager. Just simply type here brew search, and let's say I'm going to search for wget, then press enter, and here you can see it's populate the result. We can easily install this wget tool using this Homebrew package manager. So let's install it. So I'm going to simply type here brew install wget, then press enter, then Y and press enter, and it's going to download and install the wget tool in your macOS. Okay, so guys, here you can see it installed the wget tool in our macOS. Now let's try to install the git tool using this brew package manager. So type here brew install git, again type Y, and it should start installing the git tool in your macOS. Okay, so git also has been installed. Now simply run git and press enter, and here you can see the help menu of the git tool. So guys, like this, using this Homebrew package manager you can easily install tools in your macOS without touching the browser or app store. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.